Ayun, adobo tayo, atay at manok. May beans mga koblaks. Lunch time natin. Ayan na, napakasarap nito. So mga koblaks, supportahan nyo yung konting channel ko. Salamat sa lahat na sumusuporta at nanonood at pinagtsatsagaan. Ayan na nga. Bye! Iba lunch time.
And I still can remember how you touched me so tender. It told me you cared. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see it until it was gone. A second once in a lifetime, maybe too much to